Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best dryer vent you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best dryer vent on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which dryer vent are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Heartland Natural Energy Saving Dryer Vent. This Heartland Natural design products protect your home's comfort and operation. Heartland Naturals offers a long-lasting solution to keep your home running smoothly for years to come, whether you're looking for a dryer vent closure, extension, or other accessory. Heartland can help you save money while also protecting your home. With this Heartland vent closure, you can prevent rodents, bugs, and cold air from entering your home through the dryer hose. While other vent covers have flaps that can be blown open by the wind or become clogged with lint, this Heartland model takes it to the next level. It features an enclosed cup that seals the opening to the dryer vent when not in use. When the dryer runs, the cup lifts, allowing hot air and lint to escape. When the dryer shuts off, the cup falls back into place, creating a tight seal over the hole. The vent is made of high-grade plastic designed to endure harsh weather and attaches to your home via a square base and 4 pre-drilled holes. It's compatible with a standard 4-inch dryer tube. Our second best dryer vent is bettervent Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. This superior quality dryer vent kit captures lint, dust, pet hair and more with the energy-efficient, cost-saving bettervent Indoor Dryer Vent Kit for electric dryer. With a stainless steel pre-filter screen and a polyester filter, this high-quality dryer vent kit traps the finest dust particles. The double filter system ensures a healthy indoor environment so you can safely bring humidity and heat into your home this winter. With its substantial filtering capability, this indoor dryer vent from bettervent is an excellent option when you have a dryer with no access to an external wall. The biggest concern most people have when venting their dryer indoors is how recirculating dryer air will affect the air quality in your home. This vent features a dual stainless steel and polyester filter that removes dust from the air as it passes through. The unit, which measures 15 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 5 inches thick, mounts easily to a wall. Quick release clips allow you to remove the filter easily for periodic cleaning. If you forget to clean the filter, a safety vent flap will open when it's 80% full to prevent your dryer from overheating. The filter attaches to a standard 4-inch hose. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is iPower GL Duct 4x8C Dryer Vent Hose. This duct from iPower is an excellent companion to both gas and electric dryers due to its variable length options, durable construction, and included hardware. It's made of flame-retardant aluminum foil and has a temperature rating of up to 185 degrees, so it can easily withstand the heat generated by a dryer. Steel wire reinforcement helps the tube retain its shape while resisting crushing forces. Its accordion-style coil design adjusts from 4.5 inches when folded to 8 feet when fully extended. This tube is equipped with 2 clamps that ensure a secure connection between the dryer and the dryer vent. It comes in lengths up to 25 feet and diameters ranging from 4 to 6 inches, making it simple to find a model that meets your needs. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is FunMit 4-inch dryer vent cover. This is durable plastic 4-inch outdoor dryer vent cover with screen on the back, includes 4 screws for easy to install. The louvered vent cover fits a 4-inch diameter pipe and vent opening. The outside dimensions of the dryer vent cover is 6 by 6 inches. Please confirm our size before installation. FunMit has most of vent cover replacement parts, include metal and plastic material. Please refer to the end of our A+. Easy to install louvered vent cap for dryer and bath fan venting. High impact polyplastic construction, contain UV stabilizer to reduce fading due to exposure to sunlight. The adjustable screw will make it perfect to tight fit 4-inch opening hood duct, lower noise. Curved louver structure design helps keep rain, snow, wind, birds and unwanted pests from entering the outdoor dryer vents. Last in our top 5 best dryer vent list is Deflecto dryer vent cover. Protect your vent opening from buildup caused by wind, rain, snow and unwanted pests with our superb vent louvered outdoor vent cover. This package includes a dryer vent cover featuring curved louvers that make little noise even when they open wide for maximum exhaust flow. Vent opening measures 4-inch diameter, and the total unit measures 6-inch wide by 6-inch long. This vent cover will easily snap into place to fit over your vent opening, and can be quickly secured with 4 screws. Made from durable and weather-resistant plastic with UV inhibitor added to hood to prevent sun damage and cracking. Superb vent louvered outdoor dryer vent cover keeps unwanted pests and outdoor elements at bay so you can dry all day. Package includes a dryer vent cover with curved louvers that stay quiet even when they open wide for maximum exhaust flow. Easily fits over your vent opening and can be quickly secured with 4 screws.